If square root x plus x equal to 2, then find the value of x. Given problem solution. Square root x plus x equal to 2. X transport right side. X transport right side. Root x equal to 2 minus x. Both side squaring. Root x whole square equal 2 minus x whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a minus b whole square form root and square cancel. X equal to a square 2 square minus 2ab a b square x square. X equal to 2 square 4 2 2 4x plus x square. X stands for right side. X square minus 4x plus 4 minus x equal 0. X square minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal 0. X square minus 5x plus 4 equal 0. This is compare ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 4. So roots x equal to formula minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to minus b plus minus 5 substitute b square 5 square minus 5 square minus 4ac by 2a. A plus lo 1 substitute. Minus into minus plus 5 plus r minus 5 square 25 minus 4 4 just 16 by 2. 5 plus r minus 25 minus 16 root 9 by 2. 5 plus r minus 3 by 2. Next x equal to plus or minus 3. You take once again plus or another time minus 3. 5 plus 3 8 by 2. 5 minus 3 2. 2 by 2. 2 4 ja 1. 2 1 ja 2. So x equal to 4 and 1.